for joining me for another recipe. So today we'll be making an extremely comforting sweet potato, spinach and chickpea curry, made vegan of course. So it's the perfect dinner to cook when it's cold outside, and right now it's December and it's extremely cold outside, and you really need a warm, comforting dinner to serve. So what better thing to do than make yourself a curry? So this recipe is super simple, and I just cannot wait to start showing you. Let's begin. Right, so the first thing you need to do is heat up about 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can use any oil you like really, but we're going to be using coconut milk later on, so I don't mind using coconut oil to fry up things as well. So the oil is nicely heated. Now add 1 medium-sized chopped onion. You can use any you like. I've used white onion. You can use red if you want. You can use a shallot as well if you like. I have opted for a white onion. Now cook that for 1 minute. Now to the onion, add 3 cloves of minced garlic. Now cook that for 3 to 4 minutes. As you can see, the onions have become translucent and the garlic has softened. Now it's time to add some chopped tomatoes. Now I'm using a can of chopped tomatoes, so it's about 14 ounces. Now add that onto there. Now add some salt and pepper to this as well. Now turn down the heat and cook this for about 10 minutes. Right, so as you can see, the juices of the tomatoes have evaporated a little bit. Now it's time to add some other ingredients to the mix. Now add 1 large diced sweet potato, 1 cup of cooked chickpeas, I just used from a can. Now stir to combine. Now let's add some spices. 1/3 of a tablespoon of garam masala, 3/4 of a tablespoon of paprika, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cumin, and about a teaspoon of curry powder. Now mix to combine. Now add 1 can of full-fat coconut milk. Now turn the heat down and cook this for about 20 to 30 minutes until basically the sweet potatoes are soft and ready to be eaten. Alright, so as you can see, it's been bubbling for quite some time now. The sweet potatoes are soft and cooked, and now it's time to fold in the spinach. Now I'm going to turn off the heat because all we need to do now is just wilt the spinach. So fold in 3 cups of spinach. Now you can also add lime or lemon juice to top it off. Now this is the stage where you can also taste it and see how it is with the seasoning. Maybe it may need more salt, so make sure you taste it and add your final seasonings. So as you can see, it's ready. The spinach is wilted, the sweet potatoes are cooked, and they still have a tiny bit of crunch because we don't want them to be mushy. They still hold their shape. And now this is it really. You can add some herbs on top, and this can basically feed about 4 people, especially if you serve it with a side dish like rice or something else.